Hello guys, welcome to Jubaer Learning Tech. This is Jubaer Ahmed. So today I'm gonna share with you one new project. Hopefully you guys get the benefit from this project. So let's get started. So first of all, I take the router 1841. Okay. So here I take the router 0, then I take another one. Okay. After that I take here two switch, one is here, another is here. Okay, then I will take 3 PC for this one. I think who are started the beginner, they can get the benefit from this video. So just try to watch and share with your family and your friends. Okay, so now I give the connection first. After that I will give the configuration. So first of all I take this one. Okay, then need to give the connection also. Okay, so now need to check this one. I need to add here also. Okay, and this one WIC2. So only one I take. After that so now it's done. Need to give the connection also. Okay, so I'll give the configuration here. First of all, here 12.2.2.1. Okay, so this connection will be RIP routing. Need to add here outside. After that I will go there, then go to configuration, serial number 0 by 0. This one will be 2. Okay, then obviously need to add RIP routing here. So now this one is actually this one used for internet. Okay, after that I will give the connection here. First Ethernet 0 by 0. Go there 192.168.2.1. Okay, so now this one the connection is green signal right now. Need to add here also. Okay, after that I will give the configuration. Need to go desktop, to go desktop. Okay, then will be this one will be 2, last one. After that Okay, the configuration is done. Then I have to go there. Last one will be 3. Default gateway will be 192.168.2.1. Okay, then the last one I have to go desktop. After that, it will be 4. Need to default gateway. Okay, this one is done. If I send one data, successful here. So now I need to work this router. So first Ethernet 0/1. This one I just use here. 194.168.2.1. Okay, need to add here also RIP routing. Okay, see here is the green signal. After that I will give the connection here, configuration here. So this one will be 2. Okay, this one is done. Need to follow this one also. So this one will be 3. Okay, this one also done. Now need to go there. Last one will be 4. This one also done. If I send data, okay, this one also successful. If I send from here to here, clockwise, okay, no problem. If I try here, successful here. If I send to here, okay, fail, no problem. I'll try to again here. Okay, successful. No problem, I will try again. So successful. So thank you so much. Actually, who are the beginner in Cisco networking, they get the benefit from this video. So hopefully you guys share with your friend and your family and put your suitable comment